Today's world is deeply embedded in automation advancements in IVD industry. These innovations lead to improved turnaround times, enhanced accuracy, and a reduction in manual processes. Agape Diagnostics, a leading Indian IVD company with its pioneer expertise in biochemistry, has unveiled its fabulous innovation. Fab 120, an entry-level biochemistry automation system with a throughput up to 120 tests per hour. This compact and easy-to-use instrument is equipped with all-in-one touchscreen PC, making it an ideal choice for laboratories across the country. The Fab 120 has capacity for 40 reagents and 40 samples with on-board cooling, with an integrated barcode scanner. Notably, any sample position can be designated as a stat position for urgent testing. With a multifunctional probe for both reagent and sample handling, liquid level detection, and vertical collision protection, ensuring precise and hassle-free operations. Fab 120 supports for 50 disposable reaction cuvettes that minimizes carryover, better CV percentage, and conserves water with a consumption rate of only 1.8 liter per hour. Individual paddle type mixer guarantees thorough mixing of reagents and samples in cuvettes. Fab 120 uses advanced photometric array with dichroic mirrors, offering 8 wavelength system for the test measurement. The system also offers intelligent QC management capabilities, including Levy-Jennings, twin plot, and Westguard rules. With the intelligent LAMP cooling facility, life of LAMP can be improved. With dedicated system-packed reagents manufactured by Agape, Fab 120 has the ability to perform a wide range of biochemistry and immunoturbidimetry parameters. With its advanced features and performance enhancements, the Fab 120 is the ideal choice for biochemistry laboratories. Agape Diagnostics, your best partner in diagnostics.